In the late 1960s, computers were changing the world. But there was a problem. Programming was difficult and tied to specific machines. At the Bell Labs, a brilliant computer scientist named Dennis Ritchie was frustrated. He saw how writing software in assembly language was slow, error-prone, and machine-dependent. Every change to the hardware meant rewriting the entire program. Something needed to be changed. During this time, Ritchie and his colleagues were working on an operating system called UNIX, and they needed a better way to write it. Assembly wasn't enough. They experimented with a language called B, created by Ritchie's colleague Ken Thompson. But B had its limitations. It didn't provide enough control over hardware. Dennis Ritchie, a visionary who wanted both efficiency and flexibility, set out to solve this problem. He believed that programmers needed a language that combined the power of low-level assembly with the ease of high-level languages. And so, in 1972, Dennis Ritchie began developing C. C was revolutionary. It allowed programmers to manipulate hardware directly, just like in assembly language. But it also had features that made it easier to write, debug, and maintain complex systems. It was portable, meaning it could run on different types of computers without needing massive rewrites. Thanks to C, Unix operating system flourished. And soon, C wasn't just the language of Unix. It became the backbone of many major systems around the world. Over the years, C's influence grew. Many modern programming languages, from C++ to Java, owe their roots to the innovation of C. Dennis Ritchie's journey wasn't just about creating a language. It was about transforming the way we program, bridging the gap between hardware control and software development. C empowered a generation of developers and became the foundation of today's digital world. And so, what started as a frustration in dealing with assembly became one of the most powerful tools in programming. This is the story of how Dennis Ritchie's C shaped the future of computing. But here's something important to remember. While the tools we use today, like modern programming languages and operating systems, have evolved, they all stand on the shoulders of giants. Dennis Ritchie is one of those giants. We often marvel at the innovations we see today, but we tend to forget the brilliant minds who paved the way. Creators like Sir Ritchie spend years solving problems that have fundamentally changed the way we interact with technology. Without him, we wouldn't have Unix, which powers so many of the systems we rely on, or the C language that serves as the blueprint for much of the modern software development. When we forget the creators, we risk losing sight of the journey, the challenges and the brilliance behind these innovations. The creators weren't just solving technical problems, they were shaping the future of the entire industry, opening doors for others to build upon their work. It is important to remember that every app, device, or a piece of technology we enjoy today is the result of countless hours of hard work, creativity, and vision. Behind every tool is a person, a team, and a story worth honoring. So, let's not forget the creators. Let's celebrate the visionaries who laid the foundation for the digital world we live in today.